case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1969, the Kentucky Court of Appeals heard the case of Morris v. Durham, which revolved around whether landlords are obligated to rebuild a property destroyed by fire. The case stemmed from a 1964 leasing agreement between Lillian and Chester G. Luxon and Dallas C. Morris for a property on Main Street in Richmond, Kentucky. When a fire destroyed the building, Morris believed the owners were obligated to rebuild. However, the owners disagreed and sued Morris for damages, seeking to terminate the lease. Morris counterclaimed, arguing that the owners were required to rebuild under the terms of the lease. The court ultimately had to determine whether the lease indeed required the owners to rebuild the property. The lower court decided that the owners were not obligated to rebuild, but had the option to do so. If they chose to rebuild within a reasonable time, the lease would resume. Morris appealed the decision, but the court affirmed the ruling, stating that the lessor was not obligated to rebuild, but could resume the lease upon rebuilding within a reasonable time. No damages were awarded and no reformation was ordered. The judgment provided for the lessee in the event of rebuilding in substantially the same form as previously.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.